Hi, good evening. This is Scott at Scott Trades on Twitter with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. I'm wondering if it's time to give BMY another try. I had been watching Bristol Myers Squibb back here in April and May, and I was looking for a big break out of this long base of consolidation. Well, that break never happened. Stock never really gave us a chance to kind of get into it, and it never really broke out. But I'm wondering if it's time to revisit this stock, because as you can see, on Friday here, it bounced off of a pretty key level of support that it bounced off of earlier in June. And you can see how today, which is Monday, we have this huge bullish engulfing candlestick through a bunch of key moving averages here. Now, the volume today leaves a lot to be desired, but I think that this is a pretty key support zone here for Bristol Myers Squibb. And if I draw a downward sloping trend line from the high back here at the end of June, you can see we get a little bit of a triangle pattern, and we're right underneath a clear level of resistance. And so I think it makes sense to keep an eye on Bristol Myers Squibb and look for a strong move through that 50-day moving average coming on higher than average volume. Now that may be an entry, but you could also look for a breakthrough and then wait for the back test and see if the stock can base once again close to the 50-day moving average. So this is a stock I'll be watching probably for the rest of the month just to see if it can give us a chance to eventually break out of this really long base of consolidation. So I hope that video is helpful. Hey, give me a follow on Twitter if you don't already, at Scott Trades. And if you want to see what we're up to over at StockMarketMentor.com and you're watching this on YouTube, click the link, take a trial, and I'll see you on the other side.